Good morning, dear children. Once again, welcome back to computer online class. Hope you all are well at home. Today, we are going to do the rest part of answer the following question. So, the fourth question, explain three methods that we can use to open a file in Windows. So, what are the three methods that we can use to open a file in Windows? To open a file, we can use three methods. Double click on the icon of the file. So first method is double click on the icon of the file. Second method, select the file and click on open from the file menu. You have to select the file and from the file menu you have to click on open. The third method is right click on the file and click on open from the drop down menu that appears. What you have to do, student? You have to right click on the file and from the drop down menu you have to click on open. So these are the three methods we can use to open a file. Got it? Huh? So you can write down these are the three methods. Now come to the next question. That is question number E. How we can create a folder in Windows? So to create a folder, what are the steps we require? We can create a new folder wherever we want to. Okay. Suppose we want to create a folder on a desktop. You want to create a folder on the desktop. What are the steps? Right click on the desktop. The next is a drop down menu appears. Okay. After that, select new and then the folders option. A new folder is created. Give the folder a name and press enter. So, dear children, these are the steps how you can create a new folder in Windows. Okay, if you want to create a folder, you can go to anywhere. Here we have taken the example on the desktop. You have to do right click on the desktop. A menu appears, select new and the folder option. A new folder is created and you can give a folder name and press enter. This is how a folder can be created on the desktop. So you can write down in your notebook all the question and answers. That is total 4 question is there. So all the question and answer has been given to you. Please learn and write down in a neat and clean handwriting. Okay. You can see in page 43. Now come to the next question. That is, identify the types of icon described in each of the following. So you have to identify, okay, which icon it is. Shortcuts of some frequently used application that can be dragged. Okay, from the desktop to the taskbar as icons. So, which icon is used? That is required frequently used application which can be dragged from the desktop to the taskbar. It is application icon. Icon used to represent objects in Windows. Which icon? Object icons. Icons on the desktop that have a small jump arrow on their lower left hand corner. So, there is an icon where you have a small jump arrow on the lower left hand corner. Which icon? It is shortcut icons. Icons used to open all files and folder in that drive. That is which icon? It is disk drive icon. So, is it clear, students? So, you have to identify and you have to write down which icon is used. So, you write down in a neat and clean handwriting. The first one is application icon, object icon. Okay. Come. Thank you for listening my online class. All of you be safe at home and please do take care of yourself. Okay. Always stay fit and fine. Take care of yourself, students. Okay. Bye-bye.